I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manze, and my channel is called iPowerToGetWealth. There is an inherent power. There is a power within your DNA and within my DNA that attracts wealth, and that has to be awakened. This is why I create videos that show people how to make money online using the power of affiliate marketing, the power of online business coaching, the power of driving traffic to any offer, getting traffic, managing traffic, and multiplying traffic, and drive it to any offer, any website. If I'm looking forward to building a solid and a predictable online business, then my friend, you are at the right place at the right time. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Thumbs up will go a long way because that's good for algorithms, and YouTube will share this video with more people like you, and it will continue to grow as it is growing. Welcome aboard, and we'll see you inside. Thank you for stopping by.